to tackle the radiator hose and piping situation. Since the Miata Radiator is what we have, it's on the inlet and outlet are on the opposite sides of what the SR is. So we have one major issue, which is why we're running things like this. Let me show you. The way the intercooler piping goes down is really close to the water neck that's right here, which is the outlet. It's going to go to the bottom of the radiator way over here. So what we went ahead and did is we put this 90-degree silicone hose on here, and there's a 90 aluminum which will sit here going to a 45, which will let it roll right down along with the radiator, and it should work out really good. I actually got this idea off of CX Racing's site. Went ahead and bought 4 90 silicone hoses and 2 45s, and I bought a 3-foot 1 1/4 piece of 16 gauge aluminum, just a straight piece, and then I bought a 16 gauge aluminum 90 degree that was pre-bent. I got everything from like different companies, so you just have to source your own stuff. The plan is to get a 90 off here, a 90 off here, and we're gonna have to cut the 90 down to have the straight pipe actually line up with both of these instead of bending it. And just as a heads up, I have the Miata Radiator, and they're 100, geez, 1 1/4 pipes that come off of it, and on the SR, I believe they're 1 3/8. The 1 1/4 will stretch on the 1 3/8. I'm not sure how effective it really is, but we're gonna try it anyway and see how it goes.
Instead of just taking these 90s, putting it on, we'd be way over. So all I'm doing is lining it up to about where I want to cut it. That way this will stay nice and straight.
Right, so when I put this one on and he puts that one on, it makes it like this. Obviously that's not a straight length, so we're gonna cut either one or both,
yeah, it looks
in
like
order to get probably
like it's gonna be both.
Yeah.
Just to be on the safe side. So just easiest way to do it, just kind of line it up by eye, keep it straight, and make sure that you have plenty of room to put on that clamp, and we'll test this out.
Right, we're gonna cut the one first and then cut the piping, and then we'll cut this one down. Tyler went ahead and cut off about 1 5/8, which is where we wanted it on our hose. We don't have any big enough clamps right now, so we'll have to go to the hardware store and pick some up. Just by eyeballing it, it actually looks like this lines up really good, so we're gonna try it out. Alright, so we're gonna cut it at about 10 1/2 inches. And we're just gonna cut it with a Sawzall. Then what Tyler's gonna do is just use our deburring tool and then sand the outside edges down and stuff. So 10 1/2 inches seems to be perfect, and actually it's pretty straight. I'm not gonna mess with it for right now. It goes to the edge right here, and then right here. So I think that's good enough to put clamps on and everything. I think it looks really nice. Let me know what you guys think, and now let's do the bottom. I took the throttle side intercooler piping off so you guys could see what we're doing. We're doing a 90-degree silicone. I've already clamped this down on the water pipe, and then it's going to go down to this 90 that we cut onto the radiator, and it ends up looking like this. So this left side is going to connect to this 90 here, and then the straight side is going to connect to the 90 down there. So I've gone ahead and clamped the 45-degree silicone hose where I want it. That way everything, I just have to slip this side into the 90 up here. So I'm going to put this right in that hose there. once you put your clamps on, it should look something like this, running straight across. Also gonna cut this one down slightly and then clamp it all down. Like I said before, there's a 90 degree here that goes into this 90 that we bought, the longer end up, 90 degree to a 45 silicone hose, and it runs straight down with the radiator, if you can tell. And then on this side, we had to cut this 90 just like the top, because it was hitting the clutch on the AC compressor. But other than that, it looks pretty good. We might cut it down just a smidge more maybe, but it looks like if you press it all the way in, it'll work out just fine. Yeah, and it just clears the intercooler piping that we have is gonna just clear this. As you can tell, we have this 90 here. We don't have a 2.5 to 2.5, but we have a 2.5 to 2 right now. But it just clears it. It's actually gonna sit like this once we have it buttoned up, but really nice. Looking pretty good, and that's where we put our blow-off valve. Just to the side. It kind of hits the fan here, but it'll work, and then I have to get a hose to hook to here to here. I think it turned out pretty good. I like it. I think it's gonna work good. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe for more SR20 Miata swap videos. Give us a like if you liked it, and I'll see you guys later.